Yeah, hello. So we can see that this is our one station where we have kept this device, and in this device it is a small PCB on which we have kept a node device, along with that reader, RFID reader, and this is the power cable which is connected to it. Now initially it is turned off. Now we will turn it on and we'll see that there is a LED, green LED, which is blinking. So it means it is searching for the Wi-Fi. When it is connected to the Wi-Fi, this blinking LED will become green, and this red LED is actually for connecting to the MQTT server. So when it gets connected, this particular red LED will get glow. And so the same way we can see, so for each station we have kept all these different modules. So these all are our Wi-Fi or the node device, we can say, and these devices sends data from the table to the server machine.